To use Oracle LiveSql, go to Google, type in Oracle LiveSql. Click on the link Oracle LiveSql, and it brings you to the Oracle LiveSql page. You need to sign in. So to sign in, you click on sign in. If you are new and you don't have a login account, then you have to create one. So you click on create account. Enter your details here. You check this box if you want Oracle to be sending you marketing information in various services. So after you filled in all the details, you click on create accounts. So you click on create. After creating the account, you log in and it brings you to the Oracle LiveSql page. So let's explore the page. On this page, when you move to the upper left hand, there is a menu there, main navigation. So when you click on it, it gives you these menu items. You have home, you have SQL worksheet, my session, schema, quick SQL, my scripts, my tutorials, and code library. Okay, then you also can see start coding now if you know how to code. You can also look at view scripts and tutorials. So here is for learning and sharing your SQL. So you can learn then, and you can also share your SQL with others. Okay, and this platform is running on Oracle Database 19c. Okay, so we scroll down for more of the page, and you can see featured scripts and tutorials. We have introduction. Some of the tutorials are introduction to SQL. We have how to find gaps in dates with SQL pattern matching, which is a script. So these are scripts. There is also another script, simple explain plan, and another script, 19c list tag distinct. So you can look at the various scripts to see what they do. How to make reusable SQL pattern matching clauses with SQL macros. That's a script. So you can learn how to use that script or create your own script from the idea. And there is another tutorial, SQL macros, creating parameterized views. Okay, you can learn that. So apart from these tutorials that are on the front page, there are more tutorials. So let's explore the other places. We have going to the menu items. We have the home, or the home page is where we started from. Then we have the SQL worksheet. The SQL worksheet is where you will be typing your Oracle SQL queries. This is where you will be typing your SQL queries. So, for instance, you type select star from a particular table. And then after typing the query, you click on run. You click on run to execute it. Then you can also clear the page. You can also find various items by using the search. Okay. There are also other actions that you can perform. You can view sessions, you can reset sessions, you can set up your maximum rows, the preference. You can do a worksheet font size, choose a font size, the size of your choice. The default is okay for me. Okay, and then when you type in your SQL queries or statements here in the upper box and you click on run, it is the result is displayed beneath the upper box. So SQL statement output, this is where the output will come. This is where you see your output. Okay, so you can also go to sessions. Yeah. For the sessions, we have previous sessions, previously viewed sessions, utilization. So for previous sessions, when you click on previous sessions, you can see that I have some previous sessions, some sessions that I did in the past. So you can view the previous session. This is one of the previous sessions I have had. Okay, where I created various tables and various Oracle database items. So previous sessions. Then you can also click on previously viewed. Maybe you viewed a session, previously viewed session. You will remember that I started from the first page with the where the tutorial is. So when I clicked on the previously viewed session, it took me there to the home page where we have introduction to SQL and then we have the various scripts. Okay, we have the various scripts. Then you can also click on utilization, and it will show you the maximum session duration minutes. So utilization minutes is 480 minutes. Your session value is 3. So you can look at um, how you utilize your sessions. Okay. Then we have NLS. You can choose your national language support, the kind of language that you want to use. You can choose here. Um, you can choose the language, the territory, currency, um, numeric characters, calendar, date formats, and the rest. So you can look at the various things here and then set them up. Okay. So having done with the session, we go to the schema. The schema is what you have in your database. So in my schema, I have these things. I have academic database. I have analytic views. I have customer orders database, employee and department database. I have these schemas to use for my learning. Then you go to um, Quick SQL. You can check on Quick SQL. Quick SQL, here you can generate um, queries quickly and then see the output here. And then you can copy the worksheet from here to um, another place to use. Okay. Then you have my scripts. You have my scripts. So my scripts are the scripts that you have written, or scripts that others have written, which you have saved to use in your learning or to use to support you. So you can keep all the scripts here. So the various scripts that I have, the store schema, and then I also have the HR data from Oracle as a script which I use. Then your tutorials. So you go to the next place, your tutorials. You can select certain tutorials and line them up. So you can add to your tutorials over here. When you click add tutorial, it will give you the opportunity to, for instance, enter. Let's say I want um, HR. When you select the area, Oracle 19C. If you have set up some SQL, you type them here. You can also type the tutorial overview here. You can list your tags here, and then the user display name, and then you click on add, and it will add the tutorials here. So you can also add tutorials for others to, to see and use. Then we have code library. So the code library has most of the tutorials and scripts that you can go to and learn. So in the code library, we have tutorials, we have various scripts that you can go through to learn and uh, polish or advance your SQL knowledge. Okay, so this is the overview of using Oracle LiveSql. So in my next tutorial, I will begin with how to learn Oracle SQL using Oracle LiveSql. Thanks for watching. Click on subscribe and subscribe to my channel for more on Oracle SQL.